Lead generation is not your problem. You are. Kidding. Kind of.
Here in my garage, just bought this new Lamborghini.
You know, you get a boat, you're happy. Like, if I have this bike, I'm gonna be happy.
I'm a goddamn grown man.
The more you learn, the more you earn.
Name of the game. Move the money from your client's pocket into your pocket.
Right. But if you can make your clients money at the same time, it's advantageous to everyone, correct?
No.
Yo, what is up, crew? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Josh Johnston, and I am your self-proclaimed agency systems expert. We help agencies systemize their business so they can become cash flow machines or go under a better acquisition. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Can we get a little Taco Bell in there this time? Not some like little tiny ding. Let's get a little Taco Bell action in there. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Boom. Let's roll right into it today. The spelling expert is back, baby. Got the handy dandy iPad here once again. We've drawn some stuff out for you guys and making sure that you get all of this visually as well as audibly. You're learning 2 different ways today, baby. We're getting all of it.
It's again about the knowledge.
So let's talk about lead generation today. Why aren't leads currently your issue? Well, we need to chat about that for a second here. So the question we need to really lead off with here is, are you taking 5 sales calls per month? Now, if your answer to this is no, okay, well, you may have a lead issue. Okay, you may have a lead issue. If you're having a hard time moving new leads to set up sales calls, then yeah, chances are you might have a lead issue. But for the most part, a lot of agencies that I've worked with, my experience, take at least 5 sales calls per month. And if you're taking 5 sales calls per month, you have enough leads to generate a growing agency. So let's dive into it. So if the answer is yes, my pen's not working for some reason. If the answer is yes, we are getting 5 sales calls per month, then we have to ask the question, are we converting those leads, right, into actual sales? And so if the answer is yes, we're converting those leads into sales, at what percentage, right? Are we tracking the actual percentage? We should be looking at about 40% conversion, okay? You're landing at least 2 new clients per month, which is actually really good and will actually grow your agency pretty substantially, okay? So some quick math here. We're landing 2 clients per month. And let's just say we're landing those at 5K packages, okay? I don't know why I put a K there, but I did. But 5K per month. So essentially, we should be adding 10K per month in new monthly recurring revenue, right? So if we're landing 2 clients at 5K per month, we're adding 10K per month, okay? And if you're scaling your agency 10K per month, each month, you have a pretty fast growing agency. In year 1 alone, you're collecting at least 100K. 120K, right, in your first year, simply because you're getting on 5 sales calls and landing 2 of them at 5K. Now, if you're not converting at about 40%, if you're converting at 30, 20, 10% of those calls that you're getting on, you might have to dive into one of 2 things. The first one being offer. Okay? Your offer might be broken, and that might be why you're not landing new clients. If offer is the issue, then go pick up $100 Million Offers by Alex Hormozi, try out a new offer, and see if that fixes your ability to close more clients. The second thing that you're going to have to look at is your actual sales strategy. Now, the second point here, I truly don't believe is ever the issue, because if you are actually good at what you do, then sales tactics shouldn't really matter. If you have enough conviction, that should carry you through most of your sales calls, okay? So sales tactics can sometimes be the problem, but very rarely is this something that I see. So if this is the case, kind of bounce back to offer. Now, once again, you're now converting 2 clients per month. So we basically triage that. You're collecting about 5K per month per client. You're signing 2 of those clients, so 10K per month in increases. Now, you get yourself to a 40% close rate, and you're still not growing as an agency, okay? Now, this goes back into your churn rate.
No! God, please, no! No!
Churn rate is simply the number of clients that you start with at any given period, and then at the end of that period, how many clients from the original group are left over. Churn can happen because of a lot of different things. One of them could be simply results. You're not delivering the results that you promised in the sales call. If that's the case, you just have to get better at your craft, right? Second thing could be client experience. Things like communication, okay? How you're communicating with your client on a regular basis. When reports go out. Is it consistent? Is it inconsistent? Are they getting reports on the 15th of every month and then on the 30th and then on the 12th? Like, you need to make sure that your reports go out on a regular cadence. They need to know what to expect. And lastly, another example of something it could be is your onboarding system. So what was promised on the sales call is not what was delivered during fulfillment. And so there could be a disconnect there on onboarding, and it could be causing a lot of clients to churn out for you. And in my experience, churn rate is 90% of the reason why agencies currently are not growing. And if you could fix this, chances are that you can fix the growth of your agency. Now, to kind of wrap it all up and to bring everything whole, the moral of the story here is to diagnose your agency problems before blaming your pipeline. Okay, chances are it's not a lead generation issue. Chances are you got a leaky bucket as an agency, and you're losing more clients than you're actually signing. And so if that's the case, you're going to be stuck in the mud. You're going to be turning your wheels for a very long time. So fix the leaky bucket. At the end of the day, you probably have more leads than you actually think you do. And so with that being said, you need to reverse engineer the problems in your agency and be able to find solutions to those problems. Boom, and that's it. Fix your churn rate, fix the growth of your agency, okay? Then you won't have lead issues. Hopefully that was helpful. If you do have any questions, comments, concerns, epiphanies, anything that you want to drop in the comment section, don't do it. Don't do it. Yeah, don't leave me a comment. I hate it when people leave me comments and ask me questions so I can help them grow their agency.
Pure fiction. It's fiction. It's fiction. We made it up.
But, that's just me. I definitely won't answer. Seriously. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.